This one?
Salty Dollars, serial number ends in 8611. For Salty Dollars, 2 portions to this game. First portion, you're looking for a 4-number coverall, that will pay you $500. Also looking for the first down line to complete its row, and that will also pay you $500. First good ball for Salty Dollars is in the monitor.
72. 72.
One more time, guys, playing that Salty Dollars flash. For Salty Dollars, you're looking for a 4-number coverall. Also looking for the first down line to complete its row. First good ball, 72. 66.
73.
Thank you to our last winner, 73.
11. Hey, just keep coming. 11.
11.
Spare change. Spare change.
37. 12.
75. Keep coming.
75.
6. Yeah, lahat may 1.
56.
Thank you. 30.
30.
Yan, dalawa.
18. 14. 51.
Ayan, puro ko. 69. Come on. 69. Okay, blue.
55.
16.
Possible.